This is a simplified review of how the system works. We have the ability system component with attributes such as health, mana, maximum mana, movement speed. It has some abilities that it can use. These abilities have different effects. These effects have modifiers, which in turn modify the attributes in the ability system component. Here is our ability system component in Unity. These are the attributes. Attributes are basically a float, a numeric value with a name. In this case, we are using scriptable objects to have the names reusable across many components. These attributes are going to be modified by the effects that this component has applied. Now, the effects are applied with gameplay abilities. For example, this character here has some abilities. It can apply to himself or to other ability system components. Let's open the poison ability. The poison ability has one effect named poison as well. This effect has a duration type of duration. It lasts for 10 seconds, and each half second it applies the modifiers. And the modifier here basically adds -1 to health. So it's a poison effect. You take damage over time during 10 seconds, and this is the damage that you're taking. Here we have the poison effect, and our life is going down. Gameplay effect tags. Tags are a way to manage the state of the ability system component. For example, when we apply the poison effect, we're going to grant that tag effects.debuff.poison to the ability system component. We can also add conditional behaviors using tags. For example, if we have a fire effect and a water effect, and we want to remove the fire whenever we applied the water one, we can just configure those behaviors using gameplay effect tags. This is the anti-poison ability. As you can see, it has one effect, and on that effect there is no modifiers. There is only one tag here on the remove gameplay effects with tag. So any gameplay effect with that tag is going to be removed. Let's try a poison ability. There we go. Life is going down. We are poisoned. We have the effect here that the ability applies. It tags us as having a debuff effect, which is poison, and our health is going down. Tags are a way to manage the state of your character and to control which gameplay effects are applied. Let's try a anti-poison ability. Whenever we apply it, it will search for any effect of the buff poisoned and then remove those gameplay effects that are applying those tags. So I have 2 poisons and then a anti-poison. So you see our health damage over time has stopped, and both the effects and the tags were also removed whenever we apply the anti-poison ability. If I use a dash ability, what's gonna happen is I will apply an effect that's gonna last a fraction of a second that is going to increase my movement speed, like so. It's a very simple implementation of a dash ability. It requires no code to do it. You can just set up those in the editor. And here it is on the editor. It's the dash ability. It has a effect named dash. It's a duration. It lasts for 0.3 seconds, and it multiplies the movement speed by 4. We can also execute custom code with effects. Those are calculations. You can extend the calculation class and place it here. This was a quick overview of how the system works. Those are the most simple features with some simple use cases. There is a lot more to it, complex things that it can handle, while still being super easy to work with. Most of the workflow is just in the editor. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you build amazing things with it.